Hello everyone, my name is Eric Prusak and I'm one of the co-founders of the Enagic web system. I appreciate that you took the time to join me today to learn more about your powerful Enagic marketing system. This video will give you an overview of everything in your EWS Backoffice. We will show you all of the important highlights, and then you can check out our EWS video blog for more in-depth details about using this EWS tool. Now let's get started. Welcome to the EWS main website where you initially signed up for our services. You'll need to navigate to this page to log into your Backoffice suite, which you can do at any time by clicking the login button at the top right. You can also access the live help directly from this website by clicking the live help button located beside the login here. 7 days a week, 12 hours a day. Just type in your name and email address and you'll be chatting with one of our support staff members within moments. Additionally, you can call us at this number and speak with a support person on the phone. We're always happy to help when you need us. Now let's go back and click on that login button. If you've already logged in and you have asked the system to remember your login credentials, when you click this button, it will take you directly into the Backoffice. If you're not already logged in, click the login button and the page will open. Just place your username and password directly into the box. If you check the box below, you will not have to re-enter your username and password each time you log in. It will remember you. We are now logged into your EWS Backoffice. The Backoffice is your Enagic business management and communication suite. We highly suggest that you log in every day to take action, to stay informed and organized as your business grows. First, you'll notice the 4 tabs at the top. The first one, the Backoffice tab, will always bring you back to the Backoffice homepage. The Public Discussion tab leads you into the EWS community forums where you can engage and communicate with other EWS members. Often people connect here to share stories, exchange information, and help each other by sharing water with potential customers, and so much more. The next tab is the Event Center, where you can find the current major Kangen events taking place all over the world. You may also want to visit kangenmeetings.com for a calendar of all of the large Kangen events and smaller Kangen meetings that might be in or near your area. Enagic events and meetings are the backbone to your business, so it's a good idea to check these sites regularly. The final tab we have at the top is the Support Center. This will become your best friend when you're learning to use your EWS system. You can click here to open a support ticket in many different departments, such as General Support, Billing Support, and Event Support. Once your ticket's submitted, you can look forward to quickly receiving a thorough and friendly response to the question or issue. If you need immediate help, use our live help feature where you can start chatting live with a member of our support staff within moments. When you want to check on any open tickets, click here to view tickets. Next, the Knowledge Base will bring you a comprehensive resource center where you can educate yourself and find answers to many of your EWS and Enagic questions. The News Forum allows us to share important support department news with you, so keep an eye on this page. Finally, the Troubleshooter will help you find answers to the most commonly asked questions. Now let's return to the Backoffice and dig in deeper. Your Backoffice homepage clearly displays all of the vital information that you need to grow your business. Beginning at the top, you'll see a snapshot of all the prospects that you currently have, starting with your newest prospects and then your total prospects. You can click any of these to open the EWS tool called Prospect Manager, which we'll discuss later. Below, we have categorized your prospects according to the campaigns they signed up to receive. The first campaign is the Health Awareness Newsletter. These newsletters go out automatically on your behalf in a series of pre-designed, pre-written emails that we provide for you. To the right, you'll see a number of prospects who have opted in to receive your newsletters from your website. Next, you'll see the number of prospects who have subscribed to your ebook. And the custom campaign is the email campaign that you create for yourself. Check out the EWS training blog to learn how you can send out your own unique series of emails to prospects. Your team subscribers or distributors in your downline who have opted in to receive team and business related news and updates from you. And last but not least, you'll find the contact form opt-ins from your websites. The Billing Information tab below the list of campaigns will show you a convenient breakdown of your payment history record. Next, you can click on Upcoming Events for event details and efficient online ticket ordering. The latest EWS system news is listed towards the end of the Backoffice homepage here. It's a good idea to peek at this often and stay up to date on all of the current EWS events. At the bottom of your homepage, you'll find a snapshot of your website statistics, where you can see an overview of the traffic to your websites. We'll discuss this more in depth later in this video. Now let's head over to the right side of your homepage where you'll find all of your current active websites. For example, here's the E1 website. Click on your default website address or URL to open the website. Scroll down to find all of the other websites available. The E2, E4, E5, and the team opt-in webpage. You can use this team page to build your own team database. And on downward you'll see any other website add-ons that you might subscribe to. Now let's talk about the website configuration a little. Don't worry if it sounds too intimidating at first. We'll go over this topic more extensively in the next training videos. Do you see the two links for configuration, website and domain here? Click on the website. This will pull up a page with many configurations to customize. And remember, each website will have its own configuration page, so you'll need to update all of them individually. You can type what name you want to display on the website, as well as a phone number to display. Your website title appears at the top of the screen when people visit your website. What is the first thing you want your prospects to read when they see your personalized web page? It's always helpful to include an important keyword or two in the website title. The Live Help button configuration can be made visible or invisible. If you are not wanting to actively use the EWS Live Help system, we suggest you select Invisible. If you're into advanced website statistics such as Google Analytics or services like StatCounter.com, you can place the HTML code they give you in this box and effectively track all incoming traffic on every page of your website. Now just hit Submit to save your settings. Now let's configure your domain name. Here you're given the ability to set up actual domain names for each of your websites. This is a great option for branding your website address, and it also increases your search engine optimization capability. It's not necessary to buy a custom domain name. You get a free subdomain from us, but if you're serious about your Enagic business, it's highly suggested. For the distributors who are less technical, we offer complimentary domain name configuration service. Simply click the link at the top of the configuration page and submit the form. One of our support staff members will complete this for you right away. We discuss configuring your domain name in the EWS training videos on the EWS video blog. Don't miss it if you're interested in this effective approach to branding your business. As an EWS member, you never have to rely on costly trial and error marketing techniques to succeed with your Enagic business. EWS has a perfectly comprehensive and supportive marketing system that will help you grow your business. For instance, your back office includes a valuable training and support resource center. Look to the left of the Backoffice homepage to find Training and Support and click on it. The first option in the Training and Support area is Marketing Training. This educational resource will help you learn different approaches to online marketing, website basics, and the system. If you want to master the art of marketing your Enagic business with the Enagic web system, you won't want to skip this information. On the lower right of this marketing training page, you'll find a link to some great EWS training videos. These will be very helpful and well worth the time and investment to watch. We've already seen the support center, public discussion, and the community news, so let's take a look at the popular wishlist area. Our goal with EWS has always been to provide you with all of your online marketing communication needs, and the wishlist tool helps us to help you better. If you have any ideas or suggestions for the Enagic web system, don't keep them to yourself. Share them with us and other EWS members. We want to hear what you have to say. You can post all of your great ideas for immediate consideration on the Backoffice wish list. Then other members can vote on your wishes, and you can vote on other members' wish list ideas. Additionally, you can see which wishes have already been granted and manage the wishes you've already made. Below the wish list area, you'll find the School for Champions resource, a great bonus for every new distributor. This is a series of training videos and live webinars hosted by Enagic leader Tamia Cologne. If you're new to Enagic and thirsting to knowledge to help you close that sale, be sure you check this series out. Let's move on to managing the back office. As the name suggests, this is where you'll manage everything from your prospects to your websites, your email campaigns, and more. The Manage Profile link allows you to edit your personal information. First, this is where you can set your time zone, which is an important thing to do when it comes to managing tasks and email campaigns. Next, you'll see your EWS contact information. If any of your contact info changes, be sure to visit your profile and update it. Scroll back up to the top and you'll see where you can upload a picture of yourself. This is displayed in various places such as your E5 website. It's a good idea to update this for an extra personal touch. To the right is a link that will let you change your EWS account password. We recommend you change your password every 6 months, as with any other website. On the right of the Manage Profile page, you'll find a drop-down box. You've already seen the Personal Information page. The Distributor Info page contains your Enagic ID number, your Sponsor ID number, your rank, and so on. Make sure all of this information is accurate at all times to ensure that any machine orders coming from your websites are handled appropriately by Enagic. The email subscriptions option will allow you to opt out of the weekly call reminders if you wish. The co-op settings are for those who wish to participate in one of our marketing co-ops, such as Infinity. It allows you to customize your profile information on the co-op sites. The free ebook settings link control the information printed on your EWS ebook. You won't have to worry about this page as the information is automatically configured on the ebook. The last option for managing your profile is to customize your audio library biography. This little testimony is shown when you share audio clip links with other prospects. We encourage you to tell your personal story about Kangenwater. Managing your preferences is the second stage of managing your back office, and you'll find the link on the left-hand side of the page under Manage Profile. Here you can manage and set up your EWS social bar for Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Don't miss the training videos for a thorough instruction on how to activate your social bar and engage your social media accounts with your Enagic business. Now scroll back up to the top of the page for email subscription customization. You can subscribe and unsubscribe to EWS announcements and notices. We highly suggest that you leave all of these set to subscribe, otherwise you could miss important EWS information. You've already learned how to manage your websites and domains from the Backoffice homepage, but these two tabs, Manage Websites and Manage Domains, provide another efficient way to do the same thing. Click on these links if you're already in Manage Backoffice to configure and manage your website settings and domains. The next step in managing your back office is called Manage Campaigns. Managing your email campaigns is a powerful, exciting, but somewhat complex process. When you're ready to create your own custom email series for your prospects and team members, this is where you'll want to go. Our training videos include a thorough step-by-step process for setting up a custom team campaign. Check out the training video. And remember, you can always contact live help and our support staff if you need additional help managing your campaigns. The Manage Campaign area allows you to do so much more than just create your own unique email series. For instance, the Opt-in HTML button gives you a way to insert a direct opt-in form via HTML code on an external website that you may have, such as a blog. This allows opt-ins generated from your non-EWS website to land directly into your EWS Backoffice so that they can begin to receive this particular service, such as a custom email series, the Enagic ebook, the health awareness newsletters, and so on. The next element of managing your back office is task management. This nifty system is your personal meeting and appointment organizer. Organize your follow-up calls, your appointments, schedule events, and so much more. The Task Manager will remind you via email and text messaging so you'll never miss another appointment. You can hover your mouse over the appointments on the calendar for a quick view of the appointment, or you can click to open the task details. Click on Manage Tasks to view and edit any of the tasks that you have scheduled. And on the right, the search box allows you to easily pull up a prospect profile. Just type in the person's first or last name and select the appropriate prospect. This is a great tool for scheduling your follow-up phone calls. Click on the Create Task to schedule a new task, and again, make sure that your time zone is set correctly. Check out the other training videos on the EWS video blog for an in-depth training on the Task Manager feature. Now let's discover how to manage all of your prospects. Click on the Manage Prospects tab on the left. Here you can see a complete listing of all of your prospects from all websites, sorted by date with the newest prospect listed first. The 6 icons on the far right will lead you to all of the information you could ever need for each prospect or team member. Click on the magnifying glass to see a pop-up with the information on the prospect for quick viewing. Click on the pencil icon to take additional notes on the prospect or simply update the info you currently have. Next, click on the email icon to send this prospect an email. The pie chart icon will take you to detailed email stats on this particular prospect, so you can see which emails you sent and which emails were opened, forwarded, and so on. Click the next icon to schedule a task like a phone call in the Task Manager. And last but not least, the X icon will delete this prospect from your database. It may be necessary every now and then to manually add a prospect to your database if they haven't visited your website first. This is a very simple process in your Prospect Manager. You can check out the training videos for a step-by-step process on how to add a prospect to your database. Next, we have the Prospect Emailer. This will be an invaluable communication tool for you. Gone are the days when you need to use external services to manage your email communications. The Prospect Emailer is fully integrated with all of your Enagic databases and prospect groupings, and it's simple to use. Let's take a quick overview. At the top, the Compose Email button will open a new email editor for you to begin the process of creating a new email to send out to your databases. You can do this by clicking the Send To button and selecting the appropriate person you'd like to receive your email. Or simply type the name in here and it will auto-match it for you, like so. Type in your subject or select a previously used subject by clicking the Subject button here. And then begin developing your email in the box below. You can click Load Template and select from several pre-designed Kangen Water templates. Once you're finished with the email, you can choose to send it now or at a later time. This allows you to conveniently schedule multiple emails to be spaced out and sent out at just the right time. The next button over, the Queue button, will show you what emails are currently scheduled in queue and are in the process of going out to your database. If you don't have time to complete an email you've already started, don't worry about losing your work. Save it as a draft and then click on Drafts to continue working on it at a later time. The History button displays all of the emails you've already sent out. You can view them, resend them, and view statistics on a particular email from this area. Click on My Templates to find any email templates you've created for yourself to use in the future. You can also create a new template and store it here. The Email Statistics tool will show you detailed information about each email you've sent, such as how many reads, who read it, and what links they clicked on, and more. This is an extremely valuable tool to use when you're following up with a prospect. Simply pull that prospect up in the email stats area and learn what they have seen and how interested they are. And finally, we have the time zone. Again, be sure you set this to the appropriate time zone at all times. The EWS training videos will also cover features of the amazing Prospect Emailer, so check it out if you'd like some more information at the EWS video blog. If you would like to give your email signature a personal touch, you can edit it with the Manage Signature tab. We have already set up several default signatures for you, so this isn't necessary in the beginning. For a step-by-step guide on how to manage your signature, check out the EWS training videos on the blog. Go to the Manage Account tab to manage your website add-ons by adding or removing them according to your marketing needs and desires. Don't miss the EWS training videos to learn how to add additional websites to your EWS account. You will also see your payment history and have the ability to make payments and edit your billing information in the Manage Account tab. The Website Statistics tab gives you an overview of all of the traffic their websites receive. You can see who visited by IP address, which website they visited, what links they clicked on, and pages they viewed, where they came from, and so much more. Just click on the Unique Hits and Footprints button for more details on each website hit you receive. By clicking the footprint icon, you can pull up more information on that particular visitor. This is a great tool for tracking the effectiveness of your targeted marketing campaigns. Last, in your Manage Backoffice area is the Live Help system. This system gives you the ability to run a live help support system on all of your websites. This provides your visitors with live instant communication via the website where they can get answers to the questions that they may have easily and without the need to pick up a phone. Your website visitors will love this. It also gives you the ability to monitor your website's traffic in real time. You can watch as a potential prospect lands on your website and see where they came from, what pages they are reading, where they have gone, and what they viewed. You can also engage them and ask them if they'd like help with anything. EWS makes it easy to be a proactive distributor, so go for it. Now we land on the final feature of your back office, the business tools. The first tool is the Infinity Marketing Cooperative. It's a turnkey online marketing system where everyone pitches in a financial contribution on a monthly basis, and we use those pooled funds to drive traffic and generate prospects for you. It's a great program and will deliver a consistent flow of traffic and interested prospects through your EWS system. It is a co-op, so there's no profit margins built in. And that means that 100% of your contribution goes directly into the marketing effort. We do the heavy lifting for you, and EWS donates funding, services, and staffing to run the program. Once you get the hang of your business and you know your product presentation well, we highly suggest giving this program a try. The event calendar will open another window and display our online event calendar at kangenmeetings.com. This is the website we mentioned earlier in the video. Here you can search for major Kangen events, Kangen meetings, and functions happening all over the US, Canada, and sometimes you'll see listing in other countries. This is a great website to check often, and perhaps you'll find a local event or meeting in your area. The live call schedule option will display the current Enagic approved training and marketing calls taking place on a weekly basis. We also send numerous weekly announcements via email to help support the calls and remind you and your team to be there. Click on the Enagic forms to download any order form that you may need. But don't forget that your EWS websites provide you with a direct online ordering system for the US market. Anytime you have an order to process in the USA, just simply send them to your website to order directly. If your customer is ordering from outside the United States, they can easily download the order forms that they need to place an order directly from your EWS website order page. The system will autofill your distributor information on those forms, saving you time. All the customer has to do is download the forms, print, fill them out, and fax them back. The audio library has an expansive archive of training calls, marketing calls, and more. The system also makes it easy to share these audio files with your Enagic team and associates. You can share a link to a specific call by searching for the audio by its title, and then click the Click to Generate Link button to the right of the screen. Copy and paste this into an email or an instant message to share it. Watch our EWS training videos to learn how you can include an audio clip in your emails. Just check out the video blog. You've seen the next option, the video library, before in this video. Our marketing training section also had a link to this excellent collection of training videos. They're also found on the new EWS video blog. This series of training videos would take you from being a beginner with EWS into more advanced instruction, teaching you how to get the most out of your Enagic marketing system. The download library is a nice bonus of supportive downloads available to you. You'll find ebooks, various softwares, slideshows, pre-designed business cards, and more. And the final feature here is the web banners and ads page. Here you can choose from several eye-catching website banners to use on your Facebook pages, your newsletters, and your emails. You can also use them in Google Banner Ads and on other various online marketing websites. Look for the step-by-step guide on how to maximize the power of these web banners in the training videos that are located on the EWS video blog. That's all, folks. That's the complete overview of the entire EWS Backoffice. We hope you enjoyed learning about all the incredible and convenient marketing power that you have at your fingertips. Building a strong business and a powerful online reputation for Kangen is possible with the comprehensive features of EWS. Be sure to check out our new EWS video blog at www.enagicwebsystem.com/blog for more EWS training videos, and check back often. We'll be consistently producing more instructional videos so that you can have all the knowledge you need to grow your Enagic business with EWS. Thanks again for watching.